ng pa-baby girl. At wala kayong pake kung pa-baby kami sa mga video namin. At wala kayong karapatan dahil nanonood lang kayo.
Tama. Kaya huwag kayo mangingialam kasi kahit sino man kayo, walang makakapigil sa amin.
Tama na yan.
Walang pwedeng makakapigil sa amin.
Tama
Manahimik
na
ka!
yan.
Manahimik
Tigilan nyo
kayo
na
dahil
yan.
wala talaga kayo.
Hindi kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan.
Hello, everybody! Kamusta naman kayong lahat? Mga kababayan! Amoy ulam na ba kayo? My gosh! What you gonna do?
Let's do the rabadabango. Down is rabadabango. When you rab ang damit. Bango, bango, bango. Maririnig mo. Down is rabadabango.
I love it!
Ladies and gentlemen, you have before you number 15, Janina San Miguel. Janina, how are you?
I'm fine.
All right, so you won 2 of the major awards, Best in Long Gown, Best in Swimsuit. Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Confident. All right. Please choose a name of a judge. We have Miss Vivienne Tan.
Good evening.
Good evening.
The question is, what role did your family play with you as candidate to Binibining Pilipinas?
Well, my family's role for me is so important because they was the one who's very oh, I'm so sorry. My family, oh my God. Okay. I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Eto, wait. Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever. Because I'm only 17 years old. And I did not expect that I came from one of the top 10. So, but I said that my family is the most important persons in my life. Thank you.